Hi, I'm Belinda, the Director of the Institute of Personal Care Science, and we know that food ingredients in cosmetics is a hotly trending topic. So today I'm going to show you how to make an almond milk body wash, and it's super simple. Let me show you how it's done. This is the product we're going to be making today. Now I've made it really nice and viscous. Of course, it's a real milky consistency, and it also foams really well. Now to make this product, I'm going to be using the oat almond oil herbamilk from Lipoid Cosmetics. You can't just use a supermarket available almond milk because there's other additives in that milk such as gums, thickeners or even preservatives that could impact your formulation. The Herbamilk Eco range by Lipoid Cosmetics offers a fantastic alternative that's suitable for your cosmetic formulas. They mix plant oil with their plant extracts and then stabilize it in a water continuous phase using phospholipids. Now, being that it is an almond milk based formula, people are going to expect it to be really mild for the skin. So all of the ingredients I'm using are created with that mildness in mind. First of all, I'm going to add some sodium lauryl glutamate, which is a very mild amino acid based surfactant product. And I'm also going to add some cetyl alcohol, a non-ionic surfactant, to really help with mildness. I'm just going to melt and combine these. It's really important that while I'm melting and mixing these together, I don't introduce too much air because of course I have my sodium lauryl glutamate in there, which will foam up nicely. Next, I'm going to add my gums. Now, if you're not sure why I'm creating my surfactant mixture first and then adding my gums, please watch my video Creating Natural Surfactants, which explains why the method is so important when formulating with natural surfactants. Using natural surfactants, it's really hard to thicken your formulas. So if you want to get a nice, viscous, finished product, when you're using natural surfactants, you will generally need to use some gums. So the method is really important. Now in this case, I'm combining some xanthan gum and some carrageenan gum, and that's so that I get a really viscous finished product without a sort of slimy flow to it. And I just add this to my surfactant mixture. Next, I add my herbamilk. And then I'm just going to combine my superfatting agent here with my antioxidant. You could add fragrance at this step. I'm actually using my preservative as my fragrance. Now this superfatting agent also boosts the mildness of the formula and gives it a beautiful feeling on wash off. Now I add my preservative. And then check and adjust pH. And here is my finished almond milk body wash. Now don't worry, on the day you make it, the viscosity will be a bit lower, as you can see here. By the next day, it will thicken up significantly to become this beautifully viscous body wash ready for your consumer. Now remember, one of the problems you've got, especially when you're formulating with natural surfactants, is you can't just add oil to the foaming formula, otherwise you'll reduce your foaming and cleansing power of the formulation. The herbamilks make a fantastic option for you to introduce trending food-like ingredients without impacting the foam or cleansing performance. In fact, they help also improve the mildness of the product to give your consumer a beautiful sensory experience. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Please leave any questions or comments below and make sure you subscribe to receive notifications about all our videos. Happy formulating!